Hi friends, welcome to Soft Code. I hope you are enjoying this course and practicing well with me. In this video, we will see how to embed a video in a website. So let's open the VS Code. So you can see I have opened the VS Code. Here I have given the title as HTML video source attribute. Now to embed a video in the website, we should have that video in our drive. I have downloaded a video. You can see in my drive. I have stored that video in D drive in the main folder. Here is a video intro-4k.mp4. Now I will embed this video in the website. So let's see how it's being done. Here we have to use the video tag to add a video in a website. So I will use the video tag. Here src is the source attribute. It is similar to the image tag, right? Just in the source we have to paste the address of the video. So let's copy the address of the video and paste it here. Just we have to give a slash and write the name of the video, intro-4k.mp4. So here I will write a heading. I will choose as h3 heading and I will write as soft code, and here I will give the style to it using the style attribute which we discussed earlier. Here I will give color as property and I will choose a blue violet color. So let's open this in live server. You can see the video is covered to the whole page. So if you want to set the size of the video, then we have to use the height and width attributes, the video tag. So let's fix the height as 300 pixels. We will cover all these things about pixels in CSS, so just don't worry, it is a measurement of giving to the length. Okay, and I will give width as 300 pixel. So let's open this again in live server. You can see the videos came, but there is no symbol of playing the video. So if you want to get the symbols, then you have to use another attribute known as controls. If you give controls and again open in the live server, then you can see we have got the symbols to play, the full screen button and the music button. So if you play this, see the video is playing in the website. So now if I want to always play the video whenever I open the website, I mean whenever a user opens the website, the video should play automatically. So for that we have to use an attribute known as autoplay. Okay, so if you open this in live server, you can see the video still doesn't play automatically. So because the Microsoft browser is an Chromium based browser, it doesn't allow any video to play automatically. So for that we have to use one more attribute, that is muted. So with the help of this attribute we can play a video automatically without depending on any browser. So if you open this in live server, you can see the video plays automatically. Okay, I hope you got the clarity of this attribute. And we have another attribute known as preload. You can add a thumbnail using the preload attribute to the video. It can be done using preload attribute, and here you can select as none. Now if you open this in live server, you can see the video doesn't place and we can see a black screen or a black thumbnail of a video. And here pasting the address of the image, we can set any thumbnail to the video. Okay, I hope you can do that. So this is all about the video tag, and make sure that you subscribe our channel and like the video and also practice well, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.